Um, don't know much what else to expect out of here, but I do know that there are some things that I think that Audi could have done a lot better, but I get it. They're cheap, or they're meant to fail, and they're meant for people to come back in and get it fixed or whatever or whatnot. But by the time I'm done with this, it'll be cleaned up, different motor, different look, and it will not look as nasty and greasy and gunky as this stuff is. So stay tuned.